Hey guys, and today I want to introduce you to our mini kitchen. It's going to be in a different room, but who cares? We're going to show it to you. We're going to cook mini food in it. Not today, but in some other videos, we're going to cook mini food in this cool little kitchen of ours. It's going to be in my sister's dollhouse. Don't tell anybody. So, yeah. And she's agreed to this, and we're going to both help cook some mini food here. I'm going to give you an overview of the kitchen. Alright, the kitchen, and Charlotte's over there eating an avocado. Kind of disturbing, I know, but whatever. So here's an overview of the kitchen, and we got even some awesome stuff in there. Yeah. This shot got destroyed by Charlotte over there.
Help! Mommy, I want young. I know, honey. That's for tomorrow. We're going to take your lunch to Henry's class tomorrow. And not tonight. Do you need help with your avocado?
No? I will do it. And just in case you're wondering, none of these things actually work. We're going to use candles and just use these little dishes. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. I think you're going to like it. And if you're wondering what's in the cupboard here, I'll move the table here. But are you ready to see what's in the cupboard? We got more mini dishes, people. Yup, that's right. More mini dishes. Alright, who's ready? Are you people ready? 'Cause here goes nothing. I'll get all these out and we can see them. So there's kind of what we have. I'm going to open this one. Get these out. And, whoa. These actually used to be my mom's when she was a kid. So I'm going to shut that one for now. There's this. So here's these. We're going to be using these on our little mini cooking. Charlotte, what are you doing? So this is a little picture. And it actually works. If you can see down in there, which you can't. But, oh. But yeah, it's going to be really cool on our little cooking channel. It's going to be on the same channel, The Adventures of Henry, Kitty, and Charlotte. And Charlotte's right down there. It's your adventures too, right? We got this little pan here. And this little pots and pans and pitchers. Packed up this thing. Let's open this one. Time to get these out. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Let's take this one dish at a time. Here's this one. And we have, I don't really know what this is, but it just looks like a little pan or something. So yeah. That's cute. And you can set that back there. And
What is this stuff? Oh, what's up, Katie? Can you get in the video, Pumpkin?
This is a little muffin tin. And yeah, so whoa. This is a little frying pan. Last but not least, this big plate, and it's really cool, but it's not the biggest one. We got a bigger one up there. I can show that if you want. And yeah, this is cool. So what's that? It's something I can get off there. So yeah, I'm gonna put these back there. And let's check out the rest of the guns. So this is the bigger version of this. You can see how much bigger it is. They have the same pattern in it, I think. Oh, not the same. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Put this up here. This. Then we got this little milk jug, which is not full and it doesn't work actually. It would work. There is a little hole down in there, but I don't think we're going to use that. And last but not least, this little tray. So, yeah, all of those blue ones were my mom's when she was a kid. And, where is it? This little popcorn here. So, yeah. Put this. And close that up. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Give thumbs up. We'll see you later. And here's our finished kitchen. See you later again.